Hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Anthropic has made a significant impact on the AI industry with the release of their groundbreaking model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This model is now considered the current state of the art in AI, surpassing all other models available for interaction today. Let's delve into what makes Claude 3.5 Sonnet so remarkable. As displayed on the screen, Claude 3.5 Sonnet outperforms models from any other company, which is surprising given the recent release of GPT-4. Even Llama, with its 400 billion parameters, and Claude 3 Opus, the previous state-of-the-art model competing with GPT-4, fall short of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The real shocker is that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is not Anthropic's largest model, it is the second in the tier. This means that future updates from Anthropic are likely to be even more impressive. On the GPQA benchmark, which measures graduate-level reasoning, Claude 3.5 Sonnet achieves a 5.9% improvement over GPT-4, scoring an impressive 88.7% on the MML, 92% on coding, 91% on multilingual math, 87% on reasoning over text, 93% on the Big Bench Hard, 71.7% on the Math benchmark, and 96% on the Grade School Math GSM-8K benchmark. What's particularly noteworthy about these results is that many of them are achieved with zero-shot learning, meaning the model answers questions without prior examples. In cases labeled as zero-shot chain of thought, the model explains its reasoning before providing an answer, leading to better results. For benchmarks marked as 3-shot, the model interacts 3 times before answering the final question, enhancing its reasoning. Interestingly, some benchmarks involve 5-shot interactions, contrasting with GPT-4's zero-shot approach. Despite these differences, the improvement in Claude 3.5 Sonnet is undeniable, and its speed is remarkable. However, benchmarks aren't the only measure of its success. Anthropic has introduced several enhancements to Claude, including stronger reasoning capabilities, setting new industry standards. These advancements demonstrate the substantial progress Anthropic has made in the field of AI. In this demo, we can see exactly how Claude 3.5 Sonnet assists a user named Sam in crafting a novel. The model not only helps kick off the plot but also provides various pieces of information that are truly state-of-the-art. Early tests from many users suggest that this is unlike anything they've seen before. One particularly intriguing aspect is that Claude outputs a significant amount of text in a separate box, allowing users to observe the model's process in real time. This feature offers a cleaner user interface and valuable insight into the model's text generation process. In this example, we see that Claude asks the user to perform quite a few tasks, including creating a detailed diagram of character relationships. This capability highlights Claude's increased functionality and advanced reasoning skills. Claude has always excelled at coding and interpreting user intentions with code, and this update solidifies its status as a truly advanced free coding model. Its strong reasoning abilities are evident as it generates responses to user inquiries. Additionally, Claude now boasts stronger vision capabilities. In a short demo, we see how Claude utilizes its enhanced vision to perform various tasks. This demonstration showcases Claude's versatility and the breadth of its capabilities, making it clear that Anthropic has made significant strides in developing this model. Overall, the improvements in Claude 3.5 Sonnet's reasoning and vision capabilities set new industry standards and offer users a more powerful and intuitive AI experience. In this demo, we see a user asking Claude to help with a lecture on the human genome. The user inputs 2 images of a genome timeline and asks Claude to transcribe the data into JSON. Claude, being very efficient and quick, performs this task flawlessly. The demo highlights Claude's remarkable speed and accuracy, which is a hallmark of Anthropic's product. The user also customizes a color palette, and Claude adapts the changes seamlessly, providing a clear and useful visualization of the data. What stands out in this demonstration is how Claude can create a presentation based on the provided data almost instantly. By instructing Claude to use one of the charts in the presentation, the user quickly gets a polished and usable slide. This feature is highly effective for many workflows, showcasing Claude's powerful vision models that can combine various inputs to produce outputs in multiple formats. Another intriguing aspect is the introduction of artifacts, which appear next to the chat and allow users to see and iterate on their creations in real time. The user asks Claude to create an 8-bit star crab, and Claude promptly responds with the code. This interactive feature allows the user to request additional elements, such as seashells, which Claude generates efficiently. The user then combines these elements into a working game, demonstrating Claude's strong reasoning and coding capabilities. The demo concludes with the user asking Claude to make the game playable, adding styling and functionality. Claude quickly adapts, resulting in an enjoyable and functional game. This example underscores how Claude's interface is evolving, continuously adding new features and capabilities. Claude 3.5 Sonnet, being a state-of-the-art model, consistently impresses with its speed, efficiency, and versatility, making it an invaluable tool for various applications. What really caught everyone off guard with the release of Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the impressive price-to-intelligence ratio. Previously, models followed a traditional slope where lower cost meant lower intelligence. However, Claude 3.5 Sonnet offers higher intelligence at the same price as its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus. This significant improvement suggests a rapidly decreasing cost of intelligence. Claude 3.5 Sonnet also excels in agentic coding, solving 64% of problems on an internal evaluation, compared to 38% for Claude 3 Opus. This model's advancements in coding, intelligence, and speed set a new standard in the industry. Additionally, Anthropic is working on further enhancing their models, with plans to release Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus later this year. These future models aim to improve the trade-off between intelligence, speed, and cost. The company is also exploring new features like memory to personalize user experiences and integrate with enterprise applications. This rapid advancement in AI capabilities by Anthropic is quite remarkable and suggests even more dramatic improvements in the near future. The continuous evolution and enhancements of Anthropic's models demonstrate their commitment to advancing AI technology. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.